Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year to everyone. Today we're going to take a look at a newer style by Belle Tress in their City collection. This one is called Morgan. I'm showing it here in Caramel Blonde R, but we're going to do an unboxing of the Raw Sugar Blonde R as well. You won't want to miss all of these details coming up. I really love the fact that Belle Tress is coming out with so many new styles. And if you like some of those longer beach waves type styles, but not crazy about the long length in the front, they are really dazzling us this year with some beautiful bangs, like here on Morgan. Remember, you can find that right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, there will be a direct product link. If you click on the link, it will take you right out to the site where you can see all of the colors and pricing in more detail. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com, and don't forget to visit the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Andrea Carlson is doing live presentations every week. So getting into this Morgan, I think my favorite part about it is this 5-inch fringe. It's more or less a butterfly type fringe. It's not undercut, so that layering just blends together all the way around the face. Now the total on this one is about 18 to 19 inches. It features that classic beach wave that we love about Belle Tress, but it's not quite as shattered on the ends. You're getting some rounder curl in there as well, so it's a nice blend. And that bang, like I say, is just so effortless. If you wanted to go in and trim a straight across bang, you absolutely could. This one features a temple-to-temple lace front, left monofilament side part. I'll put up a clip here of the inside of the cap. And then let's get up close on the lace. So that lace is temple to temple. It does extend back into the ear tab. It's a fine grid on that lace. It's a very soft lace as well. And then you have a very long monofilament part all the way back to the hind crown. And that works on these styles so well because it gives you a natural parting space. It doesn't stop right here. It takes it all the way through the back. And again, just very true to Belle Tress's newer styles, this is a very nice light density. It features that same heat-friendly fiber that we know and love by Belle Tress. It's soft, silky, and buttery feeling, but the densities are just so natural. And I think what helps them move more naturally is Belle Tress has perfected the look, feel, and movement of natural hair without using a lot of permatease. That doesn't mean you sacrifice body. Beautiful body and bounce. And you can use your heat tools if you want to get a more glamorous look. So I can pinch in some volume there at the top, because you're probably going to want to use some heat tools or perhaps some styling product to keep it sustained like that. So just gorgeous. So this is right out of the box. I haven't done anything to it. I did shake it out a little bit, apply it, and found my parting space. Now, the more I rake it back away from the face, the more it's going to flesh out that little bit of lift at the front, which I think is super flattering. A quick word on this Caramel Blonde R before we move on. You're going to see a very warm honey light brown base color, and that's going to be heavily highlighted with a light or medium gold blonde, and all of that is on a lighter brown root. I think it blends in beautifully. Overall, this is a dynamic warm blonde. So let's get busy with our unboxing of the Raw Sugar Blonde. So we're going to check this out to see if it looks the same or if we see some variances here. So Raw Sugar Blonde. Now, I did take this out of the package just to inspect it really well. That's why there's no net around it. All right, so this Raw Sugar Blonde. So now that I have it off and it's just in my hand here, you can see the feathering action of the bang front. Okay, so here's the bang front, but then the other layers just kind of feather back into the style as well. I think it's flattering, but not only that, I do believe that it gives us a much more comfortable wearing experience when it's out of the face like that. It's also very flattering. And so let's take a look at this color. This Raw Sugar Blonde, it's kind of a dirty blonde color. So it's going to be medium and dark blonde. There's going to be some light gold blonde in there, and then you have that medium dark root there. Some applications seem warmer than others on this color, and there seems to be a little bit of graduation in the color application for Morgan. I'm going to try it on now, and we'll check it out. Okay, wow. Yes, it does fit exactly like the other color. with a little bit of cinching. I was able to get a secure fit. The feathering action of the front is the same. Again, no permatease, no palpable permatease anywhere. This one seems to have a little bit more intact curl around the face, but that is just easily customizable. It does have a little bit of lift there, as you can tell. You could coax that out with your fingers or your heat tools. Overall, it looks identical to the one that I just had on. Now, if you really like styles like the Aestheticus Thin, I think this would be a great alternative or sister companion style for Thin by Aesthetica. I'm sure there are others as well, but that one just kind of popped to the front of my mind there. So let's do a full spin indoors so that you can see all angles. Then I will take you outside for a look at these colors. And then join me for some styling a little bit later in the video. You know it's going to be comfortable and fit well. So let's go ahead and just manipulate this around a little bit. You can get a sense of the density, the movement, the feel of the fiber, be inspired to style. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZSWIG Closet.